Hey and welcome back. Here are some events of exploring Jupiter. In 1610, Galileo Galilei makes the first detailed observations of Jupiter. In 1973, Pioneer 10 becomes the first spacecraft to cross the asteroid belt and fly past Jupiter. In 1979, Voyager 1 and 2 discover Jupiter's faint rings, several new moons, and volcanic activity on Io's surface. In 1992, Ulysses passed by Jupiter on February 1992. The giant planet's gravity bent the spacecraft flight path southward and away from the elliptic plane, putting the probe into a final orbit that would take it over the sun's south and north pole. In 1994, astronomers observed a species of comet, Shoemaker-Levy 9, collide with Jupiter's southern hemisphere. From 1995 to 2003, the Galileo spacecraft drops a probe into Jupiter's atmosphere and conducts extended observations of Jupiter and its moons and rings. In 2000, the Cassini spacecraft makes its closest approach to Jupiter at a distance of approximately 6.2 million miles or 10 million kilometers, taking a highly detailed true-color mosaic photo of the gas giant. In 2007, images taken by NASA's New Horizons spacecraft on the way to Pluto show new perspectives on Jupiter's atmospheric storms, the rings, volcanic Io, and icy Europa. In 2009, almost exactly 15 years after comet Shoemaker-Levy slammed into Jupiter, a comet or asteroid crashes into the giant planet's southern hemisphere. In 2011, the new mission Juno was launched to examine Jupiter's chemistry, atmosphere, interior structure, and magnetosphere. In 2016, NASA's Juno spacecraft arrives at Jupiter, conducting an in-depth investigation of the planet's atmosphere, deep structure, and magnetosphere for clues to its origin and evolution. Here are some NASA's missions to keep in mind. Voyager 1, launch date September 5, 1977. Voyager 1 successfully flew by both the Jupiter and Saturn systems before continuing out into the farthest most reaches of our solar system. Next, Voyager 2, launch date August 28, 1977. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to study all four of the solar system giant planets at close range, which are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next mission is Juno spacecraft, launch date August 5, 2011. Juno is a solar-powered NASA spacecraft that orbits around the giant planet Jupiter. Juno is improving our understanding of the solar system's beginnings by revealing the origin and evolution of Jupiter. Juno's first science results have revealed Jupiter as a complex, gigantic, turbulent world with Earth-sized polar cyclones, storm systems, and a powerful magnetic field. I am going to leave you with this quote. Many years ago, the great British explorer George Mallory, who was to die on Mount Everest, was asked why he did want to climb it. He said, because it is there. Well, space is there and we are going to climb it. And the moon and the planets are there, and new hopes for knowledge and peace are there. That quote was from John F. Kennedy, JFK, the 35th President of the United States from 1961 to 1963. Let me know what you've learned so far in this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon, my friend.